Hello, how you doing? This is Faust. Today I'm at the Irvine Regional Park. Forgive me, I'm still trying to learn how to use the DJI OM5 stabilizer gimbal. Do my best how to maneuver this thing. Well, the other one broke down my MOSA. Still trying to learn this stuff. We'll continue to travel right now and start our adventure. It's a beautiful day. I really like this weather. It's not too hot, not too cold here at the park because all these shades. It's like hiding, and I like it. It's like to get away from everything. It's a beautiful place. You can also have yourself a little picnic here, if you wanted to, just to spend time with your family. This place reminds me a lot of El Dorado Park. It has more recreational. I believe the El Dorado Park's a lot bigger, but this place has more stuff to do. They got fishing, bike, horseback riding, train also. We're gonna ride on it and to see what they have. Also, when you enter the recreational park, I highly recommend you ask for brochure so you can see what they have available here. And if you have any question, you could just call the number, send an email later on if you ever come back over here. The entrance, Irvine Park, costs $5. Letter parking here, so you just gotta remember where you park at because I don't want you to be looking around for your parking spot. This place is pretty big. The water here in Irvine is pretty clean if you ask me, and I'm surprised you can see right through it. I guess this is one of the cleanest park I've seen by far. Seems like every 30 minutes the train that rides over here. In honesty, I'm not really sure where I'm at, but I'm just following the sign where everything's at. According to this, I'm just following the sign where the pony rides. It's not a bad deal because it costs $6 to ride the train, so it's not you get a ticket like this, see? Train is coming in. I'm gonna ride the train so you can see what they have available here. I'm really messing up gimbal right now. I'm trying to do my best to get it adjusted. I'm getting used to it. I'm doing my best, I hope I'm recording this correctly.
everybody. As we make our way up the river valley here, keep an eye out for little baby animals. Could be all over the place. Turtles, rabbits, ducks. A lot of squirrels and peacocks up. We're going to get into the upper forest.
Después de eso una dona con café, ¿verdad? Ah, vale,
Lower Lake was used extensively in the 1920s and 30s as a movie area. Cowboy Indian westerns that are up. The movie Lassie Come Home, Rodney McDowell, Elizabeth Taylor filmed here in the 1940s. Stone Pillar there, the original entrance to get into the park in 1897. These are the forest ducks. Some people call them the hybrid ducks. They live in the woods and they like to come out and follow people around. They're super friendly. Think of them as your house cat you'd have at the farm here. Gossett Upper Lake water tricycles. Land-based series carts and bikes available every day. On some weekdays, if you ask for the 50% discount, you can get that in the morning before 12 noon. Orange County Zoo located back over there, as well as the Nature Center and the Lakeside Snack Bar. Now this weekend, the Lakeside Snack Bar should have the soft serve ice cream until it runs out. And it's pretty good stuff. Top of the hill, we go into the ancient forest of 1612. If you ever read the book Island of the Blue Dolphin, many of the plants described in that book Story Bear. 1908 was finally chased out of the park. Today, the only bears in the valley are Yo-Yo and Eleanor, still live in our zoo, and they'd be happy to see you too, and not just over easy. Now off to your right hand side, keep an eye out for any squirrels or peacocks. Blue peacocks are the boys, the green and brown ones are the girls. They are originally from India. The ones we have are from the Arboretum, Arcadia, California, donated to the equestrian people to eliminate snakes, rodents, and bugs in the horse corrals, paddocks, and barns. A lot of squirrels will start coming out now this hour of the day until the sun goes down. Keep an eye out for squirrelage.
He's resting.
Top of the hill, we pass the Founders statue, the 1 mile mark, we turn into the forest. And the bird bath there, created by Florence Yoke. She went on to work in Hollywood and make movie sets, one of which got in the movie Gone with the Wind. Her family used to also own the Hotel Laguna down Laguna Beach a long time ago. She was one of the premier female architects of the Victorian age here in this part of Orange County, with high standing and really good quality work. The bird bath has been non-stop service for 102 years. Locomotive hauling our train today, 1/3 scale Thorny type. The original is found at the State Railroad Museum, Old Town, Sacramento, California, number 97. Its last working number. Served the Central Pacific and also Southern Pacific Railroads before its retirement in 1926. Originally designed only as a switch engine, it was not capable of climbing the Sierra Nevada like the later engines of the 1870s. The locomotive just the same became famous through kids' books, special events, and shows throughout this part of the West as the railroad built itself slowly but surely into what we know today, the great empire of rail travel. Fresh Dirt is an active squirrel area. At this time of year, snakes are out on the hiking trails in some of the forests, so always make sure you keep an eye out for those. Don't reach in the bushes to pick things up without a long stick. Don't want to find a surprise waiting for you. There goes more baby squirrels off to the right. Now the water is kind of bent around the wind blowing, but if you can find a flat spot there, look carefully with your polarized sunglasses if you have them on, and you might spot a big catfish or two, maybe even a turtle. Going to pass through the tunnel area up ahead, arms and legs side of the coach.
Yo dije que iban a dar la vuelta en todo el parque.
Five almost got eaten by the big giant lizard. Alright, as we come into the station, double check seats. Make sure you have all personal items. Thanks for riding with us today. Enjoy your beautiful day and the 4th of July weekend here at the park. Don't forget the park is open till 9 p.m., but many of the services shut down between 4 and 6 p.m.
Right behind me is a place where it's only a reservation, and it's a private party, so you can't really go in there. The ride for the train takes about 10 minutes. It's not a bad gig for $6, and you can see the whole area of the Irvine Recreational Park. But I highly recommend you take the ride for 10 minutes for $6. Isn't that awesome? Right behind me is the horses. If you can see right behind me, look at that. So if you ever want to get a pony ride with your kids, it is a great place to do it. I really hate to go. It's time for me to say goodbye. Until next time, I'll see you again. Thank you.
Why do I feel so alive?